This video is to show you how to upload new assembly item when using CloudExtend. Before we demonstrate the use case, we will need to know what fields are required when uploading new assembly items to create your bill of material. Let's start by editing the template that we have created for demo purposes. When we build a assembly item template, we will need to add the item ID at the header level. And at the component level, you'll need to make sure you search for these fields on the member sublist of the CloudExtend template. At the sublist, you will need to add the item and quantity as the required fields. When it comes to field requirements, these fields are the bare minimum when creating an assembly item template. You can add more standard and custom fields based off of your NetSuite account. Now that we have a better understanding of what fields are required, let's start the assembly item creation process. For demo purposes, I'm going to create two assembly items at once. The items we are creating are tiered gaming computers, and one of them is an Elite and the other is a Pro. When creating an assembly item, you'll need all of the components available to create the assembly. As you can see, I have the Elite and Pro components available on separate Excel tabs. Now that we have all the components available, let's copy and paste the Elite components into the member sublist of the assembly template. Next, we are going to type out Elite Gaming Computers on an item ID field. We're going to repeat Elite Gaming Computers throughout the rows to match the number of items that we have at the member list. After we load the data for the Elite, we're going to do the same thing for the Pro components. Let's copy the Pro components and paste it into the member sublist. Now let's type out Pro Gaming Computers on item ID, and once I type that out, I'm going to repeat it throughout the rows. For demo purposes, I'm going to make each member item a quantity of 10. Next, we're going to go down to the Update button, and we're going to select the Upsert All Records button. In just a second, you're going to see two internal IDs returned back from NetSuite. To confirm the upload was successful, let's search for the Elite Gaming Computer. And as you can see, it pulls up as a result. If I click on it and open it, you can see the item name has uploaded successfully. When I go down to the component sublist, you can see that the item and quantity has been uploaded successfully as well. To confirm if the Pro was uploaded successfully, let's click on List and see if it shows up there. As you can see, the Pro has been uploaded to the list successfully. Let's click on the View button to confirm the data is correct. You can see the item name has uploaded successfully. When I go down to the component sublist, you can see that the item and quantity has been uploaded successfully as well. Thank you for watching this video on how to create assembly items when using CloudExtend.